Well, I actually ended this video about 6 hours ago because I couldn't find that fourth calf I was looking for. We don't keep really many cows that make me nervous. She is one. So I'm going to, oh no, this is not her. This is a bull calf. Hey everyone, welcome back to the farm. It's Brad with Batchelder Family Farms, and the weather has changed. Yesterday we had a record high, or at least a high in the last almost 50 years, and it was in the mid 70s. And this morning, right now, it is 20 degrees. So we're gonna get some things done early. I'm gonna try to put some fence posts in, see if we can get a little bit done before I have to go to my real job. So stick around, hang out, see what we got going on, and let's see if we have any more new baby calves. Well, looks we have baby number 2, another heifer. If you didn't see the video of our first calf, I did a short the other day. Our first calf, number 2, had a heifer. Number 42 also has a heifer. Doing good. I watched it nurse. You can tell she's got a little saliva on her mouth. You're okay. I usually like to get them and tag them really early, but she's looking great. Calf number 2. Well, I'm over here by number 2's heifer calf that was born 2 days ago, and I've seen her nurse, so she should be getting colostrum, but I'll show you her here. Hey, baby. She's out here. Could just be napping. But my worry is that Mama, now still looks good, isn't coming around. Very concerned that I'm here right now. So I'm going to, oh no, this is not her. This is a bull calf. Okay, so we've got a third baby out here. I don't know whose mama it is. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to go feed some more hay, and then I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna try to get him up right now, and if he's still not up running around, then I will probably bring out some colostrum or bring him inside, feed him some colostrum, and then get him back out here, see if his mama will take him back. Well, I got him up moving around. So cold. Oh, I don't really want a bottle calf. Now, you see a mama over there. She's kind of walking this way. Hopefully it's his mama, and when I come back out here, she will be taking care of him, and it'll be all good. If she's not taking care of him, then I'm not even going to risk it. I'm just going to load him up in the Ranger and take him in, give him some colostrum, get him good warm, and then bring him out later today after. Finally got her attention. Number 40, one of our 4-year-old heifers. He just wants to eat. So I doubt you can tell, but her udders are clean, so he has nursed. I'm just going to keep an eye on him over the next 24 hours. Hopefully Mama takes care of him and we don't have to bring him in. Came down to the bottoms to put out a bale. Putting out 4 bales today, and I have a mama down here that seems to maybe have a baby. It's our oldest cow, number 477. She's 11 years old this year, and I think she's still probably our best producer. So let's see if we can find our calf. Kind of in the creek area over here. Hey, Mama. I found him for her. So we don't keep really many cows that make me nervous. She is one. Since we got her, she's always been spooky. She's one of the first cows we bought whenever we got the farm. And this is a brand new calf. You can look at, I don't know if you can see it on her face. She's cleaned up the afterbirth. And she would definitely be protective of her calf. You can see his ears moving, again, or hers. So I'm just going to let her be. She's got him hidden, or her hidden back here in the creek. She's probably going to go eat some hay. I'm going to bring out some protein, some cubes to her. So good work. 4 calves, 3 of them born this morning or last night. Let's keep it going. Hey, look, Chief and Phyllis finished the protein tub. Oh, no. Chief just played with this tub so much, rolled it around. He finally knocked out the protein portion, the lick portion of it, and it is here on the ground. Now, this is the bottom side of it. Hey, Phyllis. And they've been attacking it. They've been eating it like nothing has changed, but he played and played and played and played with that tub. So has me thinking about some possible toys I can put in here and then in the field for them whenever they get out there for them to play with. But he, I guess, mission accomplished for him.
Okay, reel it in.
Oh no, I caught a really big one.
Reel it in.
It's so heavy.
This way.
I can barely get it.
Drag it in, go.
Well, I got smart with her. I just came on the other side of the creek and she stayed over there, and we have another little heifer. And I can just tell you right now, from the genetics of her mama and our bull, we will definitely hold this back. Now she's getting a little antsy. But this one will be a cow on our farm for years to come, hopefully. Beautiful little baby heifer. Back out here feeding cubes and checking the cows. I'm really looking for number 2's heifer calf, the oldest one. Good news, this bull calf here, number 40's, is right there with his mama. She seems to be standing over him. So I'm very happy about that. I don't see number 2, but I see some more cows over here. They may just be getting water. So once the calves are a day or 2 old, the moms will start hiding them, which is where I'm hoping number 2's calf is right now. There's too many moms. She's not over here checking on it. So we're going to drive around some, see if we can find this calf, or at least get number 2 to head a direction so we can try to track down where this calf is. Well, not the news I was hoping for. Not the worst, because I haven't found a dead calf, but I have not been able to find number 2's calf that she had 2 days ago, our first calf of the year. It could be hiding right now. Unfortunately, I have to go do my real job for a while, and then I'll be back hopefully before dark to be able to check number 2 again, see if we can find that 4th calf. Hopefully she's with her mom. She's gotten hungry, and mom's found her and is feeding her. If not, then probably the worst case, and the calf's not made it. Well, I actually ended this video about 6 hours ago because I couldn't find that 4th calf I was looking for. And while I was driving to my job, off the farm job, called my dad and was talking to me about his calves and said I wasn't able to find one, and told him the ones that had calves, and he said, you did a video the other day about your first calf, and you said that was number 42, which would have been yesterday. And I said, yeah. Oh, so I had the wrong calf number in my head. We only have 3 calves. They're all accounted for and out here with their mamas right now. But if it wasn't for YouTube, I would probably still be looking for that fourth calf that's not here yet, maybe overnight or tomorrow. But good thing I posted that video when that calf was born, and good thing my dad watched it and told me. So YouTube saved me lots of hours and extra work of looking for a calf that doesn't exist. So hope you enjoy a good laugh. I'll make mistakes. Not my first today. Won't be my last this year. Hope everyone stays well, and we'll see you back here real soon.